One of the myths of driving tests is that every state has different traffic rules and laws that you have to know for the purposes of passing the driver's test, as pointed out by Vanderleet Adesousa in a recent comment here on the mock driving test video on the channel. This is true to a certain extent, but I'm going to make it even more complicated and say that every driving test that you take is going to be different, even if you take it with the same driving examiner. Because if you're sitting in an intersection, there's a group of vehicles there and different drivers, and that group of drivers and vehicles will never be replicated. And this is why sometimes you get unpredictable actions on the part of road users. Your job for a driving test is to demonstrate that you have due care and control of the vehicle in changing traffic conditions. In other words, you need enough experience that you can deal with goofy situations that may or may not happen on your driver's test. Unexpected events, yellow lights, having to turn right on red lights, and whatnot. Every driving test is going to be different. So prepare, get the practice you need, and pass first time. For more information, smartdrivetest.com.